Hello everyone. Today we are going to make homemade donuts. It's very nice, fluffy, light and yummy. Let's begin.
So here we have all the dry ingredients. We have flour, yeast, salt and sugar. Then we have butter, warm water, evaporated milk, egg and vanilla extract.
Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients first, set it aside and mix the white ones. So we have evaporated milk, with the full egg. Then I'll whisk it well. Now I'm adding the butter. And I'll mix that one. And I'll create a word to add the mix of egg and evaporated milk. I'm adding the milk and the egg. And I'll mix it with a spatula. I'm going to add vanilla extract in my water. And I'll be adding the water bit by bit. Then I'll start mixing it with my hand. I'll take the wooden spoon out and I'll continue with my hand. I'll be adding the water bit by bit. Okay. Now I'm transferring the dough to my kneading mat. I want to create gluten inside the dough, so I'm going to knead it until the gluten is. You can see the dough will be sticky like elastic. You can do this with a mixer, but I'm just doing it for fun, for you guys. You know, the time my grandmom used to do bread, when they knead the dough, if they want to check if the gluten was created or you have the elastic dough you want, she normally do this. She will cut it. If it's wide enough, you will know that okay, the dough is ready, but now it's not ready. I'll show you later. That's what you want to try. Yes, with your hand. Who is going to eat it? You. Okay, I want to line my tray so that when I cut the dough, I'll place them in the rice. Yeah. Prep the sugar. I'm preparing for the coating. 1 cup of sugar. That's it. Transfer my dough to the mat. I'm going to roll it to the thickness I want. Now I'm going to cut a donut. I like this shape.
This is just too very sharp. It's not all.
This
Yeah.
one.
Oh, this one is too. I'll do it. I'll do this shape.
Lovely.
So I'm going to roll this one back. Then I think I'll have two donuts inside. We can cover this one and put it aside.
So now we have to keep the donuts in a warm place so it can rise.
She said. Now I start frying the first batch, and I like mine brown, not too light, not too brown. So you can fry yours the way you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. Now I'm coating the donut with sugar until all is done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, like, share. I'll see you next time. As you can see, I continue frying the donuts, sugar coating it and giving it to the children because today is the full house. I can't believe it. All the donut is gone like this as long as I finish. Oh, today it was too much, but I like it. I enjoyed it. As you can see, our donut is ready. You guys are all invited. It was so nice. The smell is smelling nice. The vanilla extract, the sugar.